Flip It is a strategy from the book Game Storming. The purpose is to create a change in perspective, to take what are viewed as challenges and flip them to see them as actionable opportunities instead. To prepare, you'll want to choose a focused topic, something that applies to the future. For example, math skills, collaborative work, or a specific challenge you are facing as a class. On chart paper or a whiteboard, somewhere where you will have a lot of space, write 3 headings: fear, hope, and action. Give your students sticky notes and instruct them to spend about 5 minutes writing down all of their fears, concerns, or problems related to your chosen topic. Collect all the sticky notes on the board under the fear heading. Discuss students' fears, ask for clarification or elaboration as needed. Next, ask students to look at the fears and try to flip these perspectives by reframing the fear as a hope. For example, if a student has a fear about speaking up during collaborative group work, they could rewrite this as a hope, stating, "I will share my ideas with my group and they will listen respectfully." Add these new sticky notes under the hope section on the board. Again, discuss what students wrote and ask for clarification or elaboration. After discussing the hopes, ask students to vote on which hopes they think they can take action on. You could do this by having students make a check mark next to the sticky note or by raising their hands to vote. Next, move the hope sticky notes with the most votes to the top of the action section of the board. Finally, ask students to brainstorm specific actions they can take to make each of these hopes a reality. Add these sticky notes to the action board and discuss as a class. Using the previous example, an action from working well for a team could be, we will choose specific tasks for each team member to complete, or we will limit off-topic conversations to 10% of our talk. You may want to consider having students work in teams throughout this process to generate the best ideas and to reduce redundancy. You may also want to group the sticky notes into similar ideas or categories throughout the process to help clarify and streamline ideas. The process of reframing a challenge as a hope is a higher order critical thinking skill. However, this activity can be used with students and adults of all ages. This process empowers students to identify positive behaviors and be a part of the classroom decision-making process, rather than just being told what they should do. For non-reading and writing students, this activity could be done as a whole class discussion. Modeling the thinking process and providing examples will also help students generate appropriate, thoughtful ideas. This activity could also be done digitally in a tool like Padlet. In Padlet, students can post digital sticky notes on a shared board divided into different topics. There are also options to vote, like, or comment on each other's posts. We think this strategy will support positive thinking and improve problem-solving skills in your classroom.